Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. Before we begin, I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. You know the drill. Thanks. This week, the Galactics were all about the frequency of play. They also shared a quick technique to experience this frequency when we find ourselves slipping out of balance. A quick reminder before we begin, the Galactics are my soul family, and you can connect to your soul family for messages at any time too. All right, so they said, Ascension does not have to be an arduous task of slugging through dense and dark experiences. It is now manifesting on a grander scale as light exposes the creatures operating in the dark shadows. Individually, it manifests as pain, anguish, or traumatic events seeking light, loving healing, and release. The timeline for struggle and suffering is set by you individually and as a collective humanity. This is why you are vitally important and necessary to bring about the world you wish to see. Your light, your love, and your healing is what will shift from a lower frequency earth to a higher frequency earth. We love and support you, but the task is yours to accomplish. You will live in this new world, and it will belong to you, not us. If we take over the ascension process, you will never fully know your own spark of creator source and the power that you have. We will not allow you to remain subservient and for ourselves to become a substitute for the authoritarians now in place. This is not the great plan that we are here to support. The ascension is meant to be a process of releasing low frequency energies, which naturally lifts your being into higher frequencies. For you to assume your rightful role and express your true soul self in the age ahead, your task is to resolve the duality of fear versus love. This can be a playful process if you allow it, with the earth as your playground. Will this play require effort on your part? Of course. This is play that requires action. It is not a passive activity. Consider the earth of this time as a playground with many different games and players on the field. Some are straining to hold onto a rope connected to old memories and counterparts, attempting to pull them back into fear and negativity. Some are climbing ladders and moving up only to have a single event or unhealed experience send them sliding back down to the bottom, causing them to give up and walk away. For those repeating negative activities, it can be difficult to take a different approach. If they seek out healing and apply themselves, they can move into more enjoyable activities. Until then, the negative critters will be attracted to them and love to push and pull by adding to the frustration and upheaval of life. We can see some playing by themselves or with a few friends, focusing on creating joy and laughter, finding pleasure in the simple act of play. They seek for everyone to benefit and are flushed with the experience of community, harmony, and love. The dark critters may attempt to come near, but will then withdraw when they find no opportunity to interfere. We encourage you to view your life and ascension into greater light, love, and joy, as if you were a child playing in your favorite park with your best friends. Look away from those engaged in disruptive activities. Don't feed them with your emotion, but bless them. Expand your compassion for all living things and turn back to self and your center with your connection to all that is light and loving. So now take a deep breath and focus on bringing your awareness along the center of your body, and then into your heart area. Breathe light into the top of your head, along your spine and down into the heart. Each breath takes you deeper and brings more light into your body. As you focus on your heart, feel your connection to self, your soul, and Creator Source. Take another breath and really feel it. Call upon the frequency of play to join you in this place. Invite the frequencies of joy and laughter to also come into you. Take a deep breath and feel them permeate your entire being. You may smile. You may feel lifted and lighter. And as you take another deep breath, you can expand that energy to your entire body and your surroundings as well. Take a deep breath. Feel the frequencies of play, joy, and laughter. You may even feel tickled. You may use this technique quickly at any time to come back to self when you find that you are out of balance. You will always find us here in this heart place, along with all aspects of your greater being. We are here waiting for you. So let's play. Well, that's this week's message. I hope you could see yourself jumping and skipping and playing and just enjoying your life. That's what is meant to be for us. Until next time, I wish you many, many blessings.